Do you want to become a pilot in India? You just have to be a 12th pass out to become a pilot in India. Do you know the starting salary of a pilot? The starting salary of a pilot is 1 lakh, and when you become a captain, it will be 5 lakh per month. The time taken to become a pilot is just 2 years. That means you start your pilot training at 18, and when you are just 20 years old, you are a pilot and your starting salary is 1 lakh per month. And in 4 years, when you become a captain, your salary will be 5 lakh per month. Now, coming back to the question, how to become a pilot in India? The eligibility to become a pilot in India is that you should have passed class 12 with physics, maths, and English. But if you are from commerce or arts background, fear not, you can still become a pilot. How? You have to give the maths and physics paper through open board, that is NIOS. Now, 3 things are to be done to become a pilot in India. The first thing is to get the pilot medical done. There are 2 pilot medicals, class 2 and class 1 medical. You can get your class 2 medical done from a DGCA authorized doctor in your area. After you get your class 2 medical assessment, you can apply for class 1 medical on the DGCA portal, and the DGCA class 1 medical will be done at DGCA authorized center like AFCME. Now the second step is to pass the pilot exams. Now the pilot exams are also known as the DGCA exams. So to appear for these DGCA exams, you need a roll number, and that roll number is the computer number. So you can apply for the computer number through DGCA Pariksha website. The link is given in the description. Now the third and the last step is to complete the 200 hours of flying training from a flying school, in which the aircraft should be approved by DGCA. Now the final question, what is the cost of pilot training in India? The cost of pilot training in India is 25 to 40 lakh. Now if you are doing the flying training from India itself, it will be around 25 to 40 lakh, and if you are doing it from abroad, it will be 30 to 40 lakh. Now this is the procedure to become a pilot in India, and this is known as the conventional part to become a pilot in India. Now the second procedure to become a pilot is through a cadet program. Now what is a cadet program? Now this cadet program is offered by various airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet and AirAsia. So in this cadet program, to become a cadet, you have to pass some entrance tests like written test, simulator, group task and interview. And if you are selected as a cadet, your pilot training begins. And when you get your commercial pilot license, then you will be type rated on the aircraft. Like if you are going through a Indigo cadet program, you will be type rated on Airbus A320. And when you have completed the complete cadet program procedure, you are inducted as a pilot, as a junior first officer in the respected airline. Now because you are getting a job in the airline after completing the cadet program, now they will be charging you amount almost double, that is around 90 lakh to 1 crore. So this is how you can become a pilot through conventional way and through a cadet program. Now if you want to see more videos on cadet program, the links are in description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe us. Thank you.